So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about angel broking share. So today we know the stock has given a very good positive movement and it has closed in the upper circuit region. So the closing price is around 1455 rupees level. So about angel brokering on regular basis, we have discussed in Telegram group as well. And today itself, morning in the group, I have discussed angel brokering has given a breakout. So what was the level? 1350 was the level that I discussed earlier also. So I told clearly if it crosses that level, extreme bullishness would be present. And as usual, the stock has given some very good uptrend. So even if you're invested near 1350, so just in the span of we can say one day, you would be earning some very good profit. So keep updated yourself in Telegram so that you will not miss any important things, and few stocks which I have discussed for long term, so they are also performing very well. So if you're enjoying the video, so do like it so that in the next sessions we'll discuss few stocks which are at a very good region and which may give some very good returns. So I'll try to post that stocks. So make sure you're liking the video. So quickly let's discuss about angel brokering. We'll see what are the next immediate targets that we need to watch out. So if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so definitely subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so next, if we try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries of Angel, so a very good consolidation was observed in this particular stock since the last few weeks, and yesterday itself it was significantly showing a sign that the volumes have also increased considerably, and it is showing a sign that in the coming sessions itself it would give the breakout, and that is what observed today itself. Okay, so deliveries wise, it is almost 20 to 30% deliveries on an average basis, and today also a very good thing is observed, and volumes have also significantly spiked out because of the region that we especially discussed in our group as well. So quickly let's go to charts. So both weekly and daily charts, will try to find out all the major regions. Okay, so first if we try to discuss on weekly chart time frame, so clearly you can see this was the region that clearly I was discussing. So this is weekly chart time frame. So when it has crossed that level, I have posted in the Telegram group also, and as usual the spike in volume, whatever I was telling, so that was clearly observed. Money flow, it is in 80 and it is showing a very good sign that it has now started a good uptrend. And whatever the next resistance is going to be, that is going to be the all-time high of Angel, which was 1475. Okay, so that is the level. So if it crosses that 1475, so quickly we can expect the stock to cross the 1500 rupees level. So now angel broking is not called as angel broking, it is now known as Angel One. So the name also has been changed, and whatever the stock movement it is giving, so ultimately it is in the upside direction. So this is in weekly. So let's even simplify the charts. Let's even try to see today's movement, how the stock has given the movement. That is okay. So if you observe the 15 minutes chart time frame, so there you can see when it has crossed this particular level, whatever we were discussing. So when it has crossed that level, and you can see it has come to retest. Okay, so exactly it has come to retest. So I tell many times you need to wait for the retest. So once the retest happens, you can see how well the stock has spiked up. So that is the importance of support regions, and clearly today it is a very good example that we need to have a little bit of patience whenever you are doing any swing trading and even investing for long term. And these type of stocks I'll keep posting in Telegram, so you need to be very attentive. And if you're already invested, so try to search for average opportunities, especially for swing and long term. And money flow in daily chart is near 79. It is also a very good region. So this is all about Angel. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.